Hey guys, Cody here at Big Blue. We got a good one. We got a really good one. Check this out. So you see we got some drip going on now. We got flame, but we was out here a couple nights ago and this thing was tripping on low pressure switch. And it was like 0 degrees outside, so we thought could be the flue pipe or it could be something like that. Let me see if I can find it here. We come back tonight. It would run for like 4 minutes and shut down. And we come back today, and if you can see this, oh no, I lost it. No, hold on. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So that is it. A little piece of plastic. That's what caused this thing to stop. It was clogged in the acid trap coming to the secondary, and I just kind of had an idea. I was like, well, it could be because the acid trap has some dirt in it, and I was like, let's just take a shop vac or our Milwaukee vacuum and just keep on sucking and take the whole vent pump apart and clean it all out and everything. So that's what we did. This came out and it's been running for 10 minutes now. So that right there, that make it quit running. It's insane.